What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Sean. You watching Sean's TV, and I'm back with another video. But like always, before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that post notification button so you do not miss a video, and also give this video a big thumbs up, man. Now let's get into the video. All right, grind gang, so if y'all know, you know, if you watched the last couple of videos, you would have seen this car right here. And when I first bought it, I actually got to go grab the keys. They're locked in the building. I need to go do that. But when I first bought it at the auction, I told you guys I didn't want it because he wanted too much, so I turned it down. And then the following week I bought it again, and I spent of course more than I did the first week, but it was a cool number. I think it was like 2,800 bucks. I didn't want to pay that, but I needed some more cars, so I bought it. But it does need well, if you guys watch, it did need a wheel bearing, and I narrowed it down to the driver's side. So I did the driver's side. I didn't record it. I should have recorded it. So we fixed the driver's side and started driving it, and now I can hear a little bit of the passenger side, but it is like not 10 times better, but I say 6 times, 7 times better than what it was. So now I'm trying to figure out, do I want to fix the passenger side wheel bearing as well, or just sell it as is, because it's not as bad as that one was. And as you know, I did not like this right here. I still don't know what I want to do with that. I was thinking about putting a new trunk on there, to be honest, but I feel like that would be too much money I'm putting in this car. I already got a lot of money already tied up in this car. I'm not gonna make a ton of money off of this flip right here, so I don't want to keep putting money into it. So I'm probably just gonna sell it like that. I don't know, man. Yeah, I think I am, bro. I'm about to go. The sun is about to go down. I was thinking about running this through the car wash over there and trying to hurry up and go take some pictures of it so I can post it. So I think that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to go grab these keys, go take it to the car wash. Hopefully it's still open, and try to get all this dust and stuff off of it, make it look reasonable so we can post it online and just go from there, man. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm finna go grab the keys and I'll get back to you guys. All right, gang, so we're about to, let's see, does this, the key, the unlock don't work. I think I gotta get a new battery for that, but that's all good. Let's start her up. All right, let's see. All right, man, so let me turn that down, turn this AC on, and let's hear it. I wasn't the one that drove it. Actually had my uncle drive it back to the lot after we put the stuff on, so he said he heard the other one. I haven't even drove it since, so this is my first drive in it, and yes, I can definitely hear it. Now, we might have made the mistake and fixed the wrong one, to be honest. Cause I don't know, man. Nah, it definitely was the driver's side though that was doing it a lot too. So yeah, man, it's still doing it. It's not as bad. I can hear it already. It's not as bad as it was at first, but I still can hear it. Let's see, as I pick up speed. Yeah, it's definitely not as bad. I do hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I definitely still hear it. So I don't know, man, but that's neither here nor there. I'm gonna sell it like this and just explain to him that it does need that, and just go from there. Bump that. So we're finna go take it to get clean. Hopefully this car wash is still open. I don't know. That sun is bright as heck today, bro. All right, wait. Oh yeah, there we go. So yeah, we finna go take it to the car wash. Other than that though, bro, this mug is clean. Like I said, those lights on the dash are because of the wheel bearing, and which is cool. I'm gonna just let them know. Oh yeah, it's still open. So that's cool. But we finna go wash this thing up right now. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when we get in there. All right guys, so we are back, and as you can see, I did go get it washed up, and I did take some pictures over there in my little picture spot. I didn't show you guys that because you've seen it too many times. I don't want it to be, you know, repetitive, so I just kind of skipped that part. But if you guys are interested in seeing those pictures, I'm going to put that video in the clip right now. All right guys, so now that you've seen the pictures and everything, we're going to post this car tonight, and let's see how fast it'll take before it sells. This one might be a little bit of a harder sell than what we are used to on this channel, just because of this right here and the wheel bearing noise and all that good stuff. So this one might be a little bit more challenging to sell, I don't know, but if I sell it for the right price, then I shouldn't have no problem with selling. Oh, I gotta get my, but so yeah man, that is what we're about to do, man. I'm finna get ready to go home and post it, and hopefully y'all will see me in a couple of days, man.
3 weeks later.
All right guys, so we sold the Malibu. We sold it for $4,000. That's not really what I wanted to sell it for. I kind of wanted to sell it for $4,500, but we had a guy, he only had $4,000, and so instead of sitting on it and waiting and try to see if somebody would come with 45, I went ahead and sold it. It's not the biggest profit that I done made, so I'm not really thrilled about it, but you know, I made $500, so I had like $3,500 in the car in total, and I sold it for $4,000, so I only made $500. And like I said, I wanted to make more, but it's kind of the slow season, so it's just not a lot of people buying cars at this time right now. You know, people are worried about getting Christmas gifts and Thanksgiving, New Year's. All these holidays are coming up, so it's not a lot of money out here that's being spent on used cars right now. So I took that into consideration. So I went ahead and just sold the car, and I made my $500 and I moved on. Now, like I said, I really wanted to make at least $1,000, but again, that doesn't always happen. And to be honest, man, how many people can say they make $500 in a week? It's not a lot of people. So yeah, especially not having to clock in and actually do 80 hours worth of work and stuff like that. Like I made $500 from going to the auction and coming here and washing it up. I spent probably about an hour on that car washing it and going through and just doing all the little stuff that I need to do to it. And I made $500, so I really can't complain, but I did want to make more. So yeah, man, like I said, they're not always winners. I still would call that a win, because anytime you make money, it's always a win, no matter what. As long as you make money, that's the goal of this whole business. Even though I wanted to make more, it didn't happen. I still made some money. And like I said, some money is better than none, or even better than breaking even, as I've done before. I've lost money on cars, and I've also broke even on cars. So anytime you make money, it's a good time. So yeah, man, just take that in consideration. That is the end of this video though, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the grind gang, because as you can see, we are on the grind, man. I'm giving you guys a lot of back footage of a used car lot, man, and give you guys some tips and tricks on how to buy and how to sell cars. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Also hit that post notification so you do not miss these videos. I know it's been a little minute since I posted a couple of weeks, but I'm back on the grind, man. I got some more content for you guys that's crazy. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that post notification. You leave this video with a like, man. I'm out. Peace. Yes, sir. Second deal is closed and done, guys. So they end up getting the Jeep. So that's 2 deals, less than 24 hours on a slow month. So yes, sir, we got another one gone. So we're now, what do we have? I still have those, the ones I showed you earlier. I need to go back to the auction and add to the collection. So I'll probably be going to the auction next week, because it is Friday. So yeah, and I still gotta do my work on this one right here. As y'all can see, as I showed you earlier, we're setting up the garage and we're gonna start doing a little bit of stuff ourselves. So yeah, I'm gonna finish that up this weekend. Actually, I gotta go to AutoZone to get that part for that car. And then, yeah, man. So that's probably what I'm about to do, man. We're finna head to AutoZone, so.